Hello everyone, this is Ankuman. Today I am taking live sessions in front of you, and I will discuss in this live sessions about Python. This is given by L2 as a community development project. So now today target will be that the basic of the Python, how can we define, or how can Hmm, how can just I will just nervous, so I will cover so many topics in this. So basically, myself Param Kumar, and today I'm a student of LPU, and I have given to tutoring the Pythons on the YouTube platform as a community development. So let's start today's sessions, and I will talk so many topics around you, and so many things. So first of all, I have to check my voice. It's clear or not, and then after I will continue. Okay, just a second. How can we define, or how can and using the Python for the YouTube platform is community development. So, let's I think my voice is clear because I'm also using this phone to watch my live streams in front of you and also seeing the video quality is clear or not. And some next step I am checking this. Okay, so once again, after the checking all the things, so I have to continue this live session with a fully energetic and fully energized moments and full of energy. So let's start from the Python. So basically, we will talk about the Python, right? So if you wanna open source like where we have read the things from where, then I will recommend the W3 schools from where you can read all the materials of the Pythons and including this you can you can do it from the all the concept from the you can learn from the all the keywords and all the things from the W3 schools. I will recommend. Okay, just a second. W3 schools Pythons. I'm also doing from is with you and just start my. I will cover all the concept as the W3 has given. So today we'll cover the main topics about the 1 second. 1 second. First of all, we have to open the whiteboard to write some things because it's necessary to communicate to each other, right? If I'm just speaking, then you will not understand my key points or my way of telling. So what I have to, what I wanna say you. So just a second. So just opening my whiteboard, and then after I have to switch into Python intro because I have to less time to cover the whole concept and all the things because it's a project and I have to complete as soon as and so many concepts in Python are there, so I have to cover all the concepts. So first of all, myself Anand Singh Rajguru. You also seeing my channel, and if you wanna part of my journey, then you can subscribe this channel as a part of your brothers or as a part of your journey. Yeah, or my journey. Okay, don't be. It's not necessary, but you can subscribe. Okay, all the things will be done, and so many things, so many stuff will be covered. So let's start. First of all, I have to introduction about me, right? So first of all, I am Anand Kumar, as you also know, from BTech CSA student from LPU. I have completed my first year as a computer science student in LPU, and now I am forwarding for a second year as a software developer. Like in this year, I will learn about software and all that stuff about the regarding or around the software. So it's my second year. It will be started from the August. It's my intro, and I will cover so many stuff. Okay, let's start. maybe my writing will be not understand, but I will try to all the things will be in a deep way. Just a second, I have to save, right? Okay, just I have to sign in because I will when I will come tomorrow. Then I have to remind where I have to complete it and how much I have completed yesterday. So I have to set all the notes, right? So I have to do the such things before the starting the all the concept and all the things. Once again, it's opening. It's taking time. Mm, mm, mm. So, how are your going your vacations? I hope your vacations is going good and mm, self development like that, right? Mm, okay. Yes, no problems. Okay, okay. Working with myself, education, persons. Okay. Then after, computer. Okay. 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 Master to internet. Okay. Now I have to start. I have signed login into the Miro. I think it's a whiteboard website where I have to represent my thought process and all that stuff. Once again, I have to check my voice. It's going good or not. Then after I will start. Mm, but the main topic is about the one second, the first we have to open the whiteboard. Solving and stuff will be covered. So let us start something random. And you also see my table. And if you are part of my journey, then you will subscribe this channel. A part of your wellness is a part of your remind where have to complete it, how much you have completed yesterday. Yeah, it's going good, and I hope it will be okay. Then let us start from so the first of all, I have to make a plan sheet like how much topic will be completed today. So first of all, sheet right. Just a second. Mm, Second. Wait, wait. Yeah. first time I'm using Johor to sit. I think Johor is a big company, right? It's a booming company like Google or Microsoft. That's a good thing. Yeah. So today we will cover the main topics about the Python intro. Let's begin. Let's begin all the concepts what I have to do and so this was today I will cover about the Python and so many concepts. So basically intro. Let's talk about the Python intro and all the concepts. What is Python and why it's necessary when the C++ and Java and C also there in market. Why it's necessary? And so many concepts we will learn from this live sessions and so many things we will discuss. So first of all, Python. Python is a popular programming language, we also know, and it was created by Julio Van Rossum in 1991 for what? To enhance the programming and the programming languages and the programming libraries. Because in other languages, there are no having much library as a Python to enhance the Python's programming and so many things. So basically, Python's introduced because to introducing the so many libraries for enhancing the all the concept of programming and all the things or all that stuff. So Python is a created by Julio Van Rossum in 1991 and क्या क्या के लिए Python यूज किया जाता है about it's about used for the web developments and server side software developments, mathematics and system scripting. So what can Python do? Python Python can do server to create the web applications and Python can use so many things. It's totally just editing things. You can also read from there, and I recommended the W3 schools from where you can read all the stuff and all the concepts in a easy way. So before going for another website, you should visit there. Then I will. So I have to cover the things. Okay, just a second. I suppose I have to do headings. Pythons. Neural language. Which has more library. This is my topic. Today's sessions will be around in this topic. So, what is Python? To ever understand, if you don't understand, then you have to visit the W3 schools. There are described so many concepts, those so many key points there, and you have to read about all the things. What are the Pythons and when and why are introducing in the market. It's because I have the less times about this project, so I will just go through the main concept of the Pythons which are using during the code and so many stuff. So basically, we will start from the how we'll write the code and what is the my first program will be the in the Python. So let's start from the Pythons. The first of all, to have to I think I have to just mark the points what I have to today we will learn. Today we will discuss and we will learn about the concept. First of all, we will cover the Python output, the main Python syntax. Once again, I have to write the so in my books, and then after I will discuss all the concepts with you. So one second, Python syntax, right? I can copy this. I think once balance data type. I will cover from there, right? Okay, see. I want to remember. Okay. Then we have to start from the so first of all we will understand about the Pythons, the starter Python syntax. I think I have to decide this is not a good path to start Pythons. So I have to visit from another website to once for gigs, right? It's 2 gigs. Yeah, here is a just WPS schools has a you should ignore because it's from it's too much a scratch that you have to know you don't need to go from the too much a scratch. So you should You can just visit the Geeks for Geeks. There is a basic things where you can learn in a basic way. So here is a just click the all the links and you can reach their website in the active way. Just introductions. You just go and just visit what is the introduction. It's a good platform to learn and in pre- in very specific way without going so many scratch. So you can learn from there and you can avoid the W3S course. It's also best for those who have more time and more things to explore. Then he or they can explore. But I will go to the Geek for Geeks because it's explained in very specific way and in a less time. So because you have less time to explain all the concept of the Pythons, so from there I have to learn this thing. Okay. So basically it's first day. Today is the first day, so it's taking more time to explain or managing the things. So don't think in another way. So let's start the things from there. Okay. Okay. Good. First of all, I have to check that my things it's working fine or not. Then after I will start. I know it's going a long sessions, but from tomorrow I will just taking the 1 hour class, 1 hour sessions for CDP because I haven't learned for this. Just making the thumbnail and just starting the live session. So it's taking the more process. Just a second, I have to just visit the all the yeah, it's going good. That's all I think awards basically around playing, right? Yes. One. So let's start from the basic. One second basics because I have changed the website and I have changed all the things. So Pythons. So basically, what you understand the about the Pythons? So Python, why Python introduced in the market? So we have earlier discussed why the Pythons introduced in the market. It's because Python has more library from the all the than the all the earlier programming like Java, C++, and C. So Python's value is more than the both and means it's a more modern language from their both of the languages. So first of all, we will discuss about how we write the Python, right? How the first programming just a seconds Google Colab. You can if you had didn't set up the about the Python, then you can use Google Colab to simply the Python code in a simple way. I think it will be done. I haven't used, but I have listened about that. Yeah, just a second. I check it will be working or not. I think I have to plan or before coming right. I'm taking more time to check it. I have done the so many pattern like the questions and so many things. Let's check it. Okay, just a second. No, first of all, we have to write the hello world in the Pythons. Then how we write, right? Then first of all, we can variable that we can create a variable like v, and then we assign the value just using the this and after right welcome to. Python, your hello worlds, right? Hello, and just print out simple print b, just simple, and it will be creating like just seconds. It's opening one out. Yeah, it's print hello world. That's a good things in. We have no more things we have required to in Python. Just create a variable. Without variable, you can write these things without variable. If I wanna write in simple way without anything, just you can write print and use print hello world simple in simple way without any hesitation, without any variable, without assign the value. In simple way, just taking right print hello world. Then it's also print the hello world. It's similar without assign the value and with assign the value. Result will be the same. Output will be the same. No any difference. So that's the reason Python is a easy language. It's easy to learn and easy to explain. You can easy you can explain your code, your thought process in easy way. In English world, it's totally about English. English word. Just print, be, hello world. Just the English word. You have no learn any extra things about the semicolon, that colon. No, nothing required. Just you have send the value and just put it and just get the output the hello world. Similarly, if I write the same things from there, let's my name, let's variable s will be the my name is Anand Singh Rajgu and just a second and my name is Anand Singh Rajgu and then just I have assigned the value with s. Then after I have to print the value simple in simple way. It's Anand Singh Rajgu. It's so simple. Have you seen the concept of the hello worlds? How it's simple, how it's simple to do and or to get output from the Pythons and so many stuff. So what we have to do? So we have done the basic programming in the Pythons and basic things how it's work and how we assign or without assign the value we can get the value of or output from the Python's programming. So basically, what we have to do. So next part we have to read about the all the things about the Pythons. So we will first of all Python introductions. Python is a high-level programming language known as the simple readable syntax. I have, as you already said, that it's very simple language to learn and explain your thought process or thought or execute your code in a readable form. So what it's allow the clean code with the pure lines. Yeah, support the multiple programmings and paradigms, including the object oriented means oops means where the class will be the introduced. Functional, procedural programming. So many options are there in the Python. So many things are in the Python. Widely used in the web developments, automations, data analysis, AI, and as you also know, AI is a booming in the worldwide. So we have to also focus on AI. So behind of the AI is Python is the main roles are playing in this market. So many other things, the dynamical type, the dynamic, mm, dynamically typed and the automatic garbage collections. It's that things. Then I have already write the Pythons, the basic programming about the hello world. So I have learned about the hello world, and then after we will go from the comment related to the comments, how we build a comment in the Python, and how can we learn and how can just comment out and comment in. Then simple, I will go similar platform from Google Colab. Then I will start from there. So what we have to do? So first of all, how we can comment. So in these things I have written about the hello world, right? We can just print. If I have to do single line comment, then I have to use just shift plus hashtag. It's a single. Just it's comment out. Have you also seen how it's working? Just remove. It's not comment out, comment in, right? Comment out hashtag plus shift plus hashtag. If you remove from this hashtag plus simple. If you go on multi-line comments, then you have to use just three lines. एक दो just a second. Multi-line comment एक दो तीन, right? Then similarly one two three multi-line comment. That's the difference between single line comments and multiple line comments. Once again, I have just write the things what you have to do. So first of all, one second. No, no, no. One second. Single line comments. Okay. Mm, upside. I've changed the whole things. Okay. It's same thing, right? I know. But I have to do. So it's good. Hmm. Then once again. Yeah. So basically, what we have to learn about this, right? One. So Python, right? Right. So we have learned about hashtag. It's used for single line comment, right? Single line comment. I we use three commas. Just simply the upper side. This is my statements. Then third side, right? That's used for multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. I hope you are understanding my writing or so many things. That the things matters. It's a single line comment. Hashtag shift plus shift. I know when you click the shift, then it will be the written. Okay, so don't think shift plus shift. So it will be a hashtag. Will be the like just a second. I will understanding the things. Hashtag Anand. This is a single line comment. Okay, this is single line comment. It's not an Instagram hashtag. Okay, it's a Python comment hashtag. So don't relate from there. Okay, so basically then another hand. So what we have to do? Then another hand multi-line comment, right? One, two, three. Okay. Then one, two, three. Okay. Here is the all the stuff like my name and roll number and registration ID. That's are given. Okay, that's all the things when you use it's a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment. They're the things. So that the basic things of comment or commenting. Okay. Now we are moving to the next topic. Just a second. We have to go from the WCS schools and then after application and advantage of the. We have already covered the advantage and disadvantage of the Python, right? So first of all, we have the also visit from there the how the real world the use case of the Python and what is the applications in our daily life. So basically, we are talking about the evaluation of Python is used in the worldwide industry. It's power the applications in the web development, data science, machine learning, automations, scientific computing, and many other domains. And also the you can't forget the AI, artificial intelligence. Behind that, the main role mm, playing is Pythons to booming the AI field. So you can't avoid the Pythons. Okay. So first of all, the what is the real world use case? So first of all, we are talking about the YouTube because we are using most of the time the more the things, most are the watching the things from the YouTube, right? So what is the usage of Python in YouTube, right? The world largest video sharing platform uses Python. The features like video streaming. Just I am streaming the video in front of you. Its usage of Pythons in a backend service means that YouTube has used the Pythons as a backend for the video streaming. And similarly, the Instagram, the this popular the social media, as you also know, the Instagram is the most famous platforms as a social media platforms. Where the Pythons, what does the Python in the Instagram, right? Python's simplicity at the scaling, the handling the millions of users. What are you understanding this point from this point? Basically, Pythons have to handle the millions of users. It means that you have to provide the uh, traffic like it's a traffic police to handle the maximum traffic from the. It's like how I discussed the things. Basically, ins- Pythons are acting in the Instagram like a traffic police, just managing the traffic. So you can also read there from Python simplicity from the scaling the handling the millions of users, just a traffic police. So now, as you also know the Spotify, how many you are just listening the song from the Spotify? I know all are the listening. So what are the usage of Python in the Spotify? So Pythons is used for the Python's backend service and machine learning to the personalizations music, personalized music and recommendations. It means just you have to recommend the music taste according to your choices. So that's the usage in the Spotify and Dropbox, the file hosting services of the Python, so the desktop. Okay, Netflix, all the persons, all you are know about the Netflix, no nobody are unknown. Similarly, that are the real use cases. You can also visit from the Geeks for Geeks, and you can learn from the all that stuff, all the things. What will be the applications? Python is used for the, as we already said about the web developments, framework, Django and the Flex. It's using for the like when we are studying about React about then we have to using the Mango, right? Mango DB, right? To means Express or Mango to use the framework. Similarly, in Python, we use Flask and Django to for a framework and data science and Pandan NumPy. You will when you going for a machine learning, then you will learn about the Pandas, NumPy, and Metabolic. Similarly, so many things you will learn from there. So many scope are in this language. Then now going forward and without wasting time because I have less time to from the all the things. Okay, because it's a CDP product, CDP things, and I have to cover the all the things with a limit time and with a perfect accuracy. So now, first, have you also know about the input and output, right? So how we take input from the users, how we get the input, how we put. You also know, have we already seen about the how we get output, right? Now we will get the things how we get input, how we get input from the users, how we get things from the users, right? So first of all, so we are going. Then we have to go from the that's platforms where we have to visit the all the things, right? So how we take the input, right? First of all, first step just nothing, just assign the value with any type of variables and just write the input because you have to take input, right? Then after we take input is a function, so we have to use the parenthesis, okay? Then after we have to return the all the things. We have to do it like enter your name, okay? Enter your name, then okay. Then after you just print out your name, right? Print print is also a inbuilt function, so parenthesis will be the along with itself. So then s. Then after we have to just print, right? Just you have to enter your name like a n n 3 s I n g sing r a g u r e. Simple. Yeah. Have you seen that? I have just write the Anand Singh Rajput. Then it's also written the Anand Singh Rajput. It means that I have just given the input Anand Singh Rajput. I have just given my name as a input. Then it's also given the output as a Anand Singh Rajguru. I have taken the input from the users with a s variable, assign the variable, assign the value s value with input my names. Then after the things will be get okay. So then I have learned the things. Let's take another examples of taking input, right? Then once again, mm, let's take any examples. Let's variable b and input uh, nonsense input. Okay. Then after I have to take enter your birthplace. Okay. Then after just simple print your variable. Print your variable. Okay. In simple way. Just print. Yeah. Enter your place. Enter your place like I'm from Bihar. Then I have to do. I'm from Bihar. Okay. Click. Okay. Bihar. Simple. It's too much not it's too much complicated, but you have to understand the things and concept from there. So today's sessions will be the in from this, and because 6 o'clock, I will continue this from the tomorrow in a proper way. I will try to execute my things in a proper directions and proper accuracy. So I hope you will get the things what you want. So Thank you. I will continue from tomorrow. First of all, I think I have to just one thing. So I have to revise what I have to do and what I have done in these sessions. So first of all, so we have done the Python introductions, then comment, then output, basic programming, how to first program in the Python, and second of all, so we have discussed about the how to take input and output from the users. So today's sessions will be the bind up in few seconds. Then after I will continue these sessions from tomorrow. It's similar times and similar things. Okay, that's you. I hope you are fine and bye.